Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple instances of an app on your PC with different settings. This is useful if you want to use different accounts or configurations within the same app. Let's get started. If you want to use different accounts and settings in the same app on your PC, you need to open a new instance of that app. Windows 10 allows you to do this by running the app as a different user. To make this work, you need at least one more user account on your PC. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a new local user account on your Windows computer. Once you have an additional user account, check if your app's shortcut is on your desktop. If it is, right-click the shortcut and select Run as different user. If the shortcut is not on your desktop, open the Start menu and search for your app. Right-click the app in the search results and select Open File Location. If this still points to a shortcut, right-click it again and choose Open File Location once more. Your goal here is to reach the executable file for your app. When you find the actual location of the app file, right-click it and select Run as different user. A prompt will appear, asking for the username and password of the new account you created. Enter the details and click OK. This new instance of the app will be completely isolated from the main instance, meaning any changes or settings in this instance won't affect the original one. That's it. You've successfully opened multiple instances of the same app with different settings. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.